Hi everyone. Today's topic, one of the important topic in triangles chapter, basic proportionality theorem. Simply we call it as BPT. So what is basic proportionality theorem? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in equal ratio. Simple. First of given, we are proving this BPT theorem. First given, what he gave, here is a triangle. Let triangle ABC is the given triangle. A, B, C. So in that ABC triangle, what he is telling, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. So here I am taking this BC side. Now I am drawing one parallel line to BC. That is, I am drawing DE line which is parallel to BC. How I am drawing this DE line? Parallel means we can draw here and we can draw somewhere. Here. But so how we are drawing the parallel line? To intersect the other two sides in distinct point. So the DE to intersect the other two sides. What are those other two sides? AB side and AC side. So this DE line intersecting other two sides. So this BC parallel to DG. Then what will happen? You are drawing parallel line. So then what will happen according to the theorem? If you draw the parallel lines to the one side of the triangle, that will divide in equal ratio. So how? AD by, so this point D dividing this side AB into two parts. One is AD and DB. So the ratio of AD and DB equal to another side AC. So that AC divided that by point E into two parts. What are those two parts? AE by EC. This is the theorem. AD by DB is equals to AE by EC according to the basic proportionality theorem. What is the theorem? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, then the other two sides are divided into equal ratio. So triangle ABC, and we are drawing DG line which is parallel to BC to intersect other two sides at distinct point at D and at E. Now, so this line DG divided these other two sides AB and AC into equal ratio. What is that equal ratio? AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. So simple. So write down the given terms. Triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, what we are doing? We are draw DE which is parallel to BC. Now proof. What we need to prove? Prove that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. So we need to prove that AD by A to D by DB is equals to AE by EC. So to prove that, first what I am doing now, draw in a triangle ADE. I am taking in triangle ADE. What I am doing? First I am taking AD base. So to this AD base, I am drawing one perpendicular line from point E. So perpendicular. Then that will become EF. So here for on the base AD from the E I am drawing perpendicular line. So AD perpendicular to EF. EF. So to prove that, first what we are doing in triangle ADE, ADE triangle we are taking. So base AD, for this base AD I am drawing one perpendicular from point E. So then that will become EF. AD perpendicular to EF. Next in the same triangle from the D point, from the D point to base AE, from D point to base AE I am drawing another perpendicular. So here another perpendicular. What is that? AE perpendicular to DG. DG. So AD perpendicular to EF, AE perpendicular to DG. Now next I am join B, E and CD. Join B, E and CD. Join B, E and CD. Now real proof steps. First take upper triangle. What is that? To prove that, first step, area of, what I am taking, area of triangle ADE. What I am taking, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBDE. I am taking, what I am taking, triangle BDE. Sir, why you are taking these two triangles, ADE triangle and BDE triangle? What we need to prove? First we need to prove AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. If you take this ADE triangle, what is the one of the side of the ADE triangle? ADE. One of the side is AD divided by another side we want DB. So that DB side is there in the triangle BDE. That's why I am taking these two sides. Now, what is the area of ADE triangle? One of the triangle's area formula is there. When you have base here, just observe the triangle ADE. In this ADE triangle, base is there, height is there. Base is there, height is there. So when you have base and height, so what is the formula? Half into base into height. Take that half into base into height formula here. Half into base into height. So what is that base? Half into base A to D. AD is the base into height of the triangle. So that height is EF by. Now down triangle is there. What is the down triangle? BDE. So what? Just observe the BDE triangle. BDE triangle is there like this. You may study this topic for obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. How you will measure the height of this triangle? So that height of the triangle exists outside of the triangle. Outside of the triangle. So in the same way, the height of the DBE, height of the DBE triangle exists outside of the triangle, that is this one. So same BDE triangle height also EF only. How? Always the height of the obtuse angle triangle, this is the obtuse angle triangle, always height of the obtuse angle triangle exists outside of the triangle. So what is the height of the BD triangle? Same, half into base BD. Height is what? EF. EF. So here we can cancel half in the numerator, half in the denominator. EF in the numerator, EF in the denominator. Then what we got finally? Finally we got AD by BD. So from the first situation we got AD by BD. Next similarly so I am taking same triangle, area of triangle ADE. Sir, why you are taking again ADE triangle? If you take ADE triangle, other side we can take AE also base. If you take AE as base, then DG will become height. So ADE triangle by another, we want AE by EC. So which side, which triangle having this EC side? That CED or CDE, area of, I am taking triangle area of CDE or CED. So in that, half into what is base? Base AE into what is height? Height DG. Height of the, when the base is AE, then DG will become height by down triangle CDE in the triangle. So base is C. Then what is the height of the triangle? Same, this one also obtuse triangle. Height of the triangle will exist outside of the triangle. Same height will become DG. So half into base. What is base? CE is the base. CG into height of the triangle DG. Now half of cancel, DG cancel. What is the remaining one? AE by CE. AE by CE we got. So two values we got. AB by, this is equation. So consider equation 1, consider equation 2. Then how equation 1 and equation 2 equal? We need, what we need to prove? We need to prove this AD by BD, equation 1 equal to AE by EC. How they are equal? So first we need to know about one more formula, one more properties of triangle. We studied that one in the grade 9. So till here copy. And next term, this topic you may studied in the lower class, like in the 9th class. Here two parallel lines are there. Here two parallel lines are there. You are drawing two triangles in between these two parallel lines with the same base, here to here. AB is the common base for both the triangles. You are drawing like this, one triangle, another triangle like this. So here CD. Now between two parallel lines with the same base, so two triangles are there. Here ACB, ACB triangle area and ABD triangle area, or ABC triangle area and ABD triangle area. Same, when you are drawing two triangles between two parallel lines with the same base, then area of the two triangles are equal. So in the same way, here two parallel lines are there, DE and BC. So these two are parallel. Now with the same base BC, we are drawing two triangles. One is BCE triangle, another triangle BCD triangle. So with the same base between two parallel lines, we are drawing two triangles. Therefore, according to the property, triangles property, so area of triangle BDE. So first one BDE is equals to CDE. So here the common base for both the triangles. What is the common base for both the triangles? DE is the base. See, these two are parallel. So with the base of DE, I am considering as base. So DEB, one triangle. DEC, another triangle. Okay. So this is the base. Actually, I explained BC as base. So no problem. With the BC as base also, we will get the same. DE base also will get the same equal triangles. So if BDE and CDE are equal, therefore, see, if BDE and CDE are equal, already numerators are equal. ADE by ADE by BDE is equals to ADE by CDE. If these two are equal means already numerators are equal. If these two also equal means, then automatically, therefore 1 is equals to 2. 1 is equals to 2. So AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. This is a basic proportionality theorem proof. So here we need to mention the point. If two triangles drawn between two parallel lines with the same base, then the two triangles are equal in area. Therefore, according to that property, triangle BDE is equals to triangle CDE. So BDE and CDE are equal. Therefore, AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. Hence proved. Hence BPT is proved. So this is the basic proportionality theorem. So based on this, some more proofs also there. Based on basic proportionality theorem, some more proofs. Some more proofs. What are those proofs? Prove that AD by total, that AD by total AB, AD by or AD by AB is equals to AD by AB is equals to AE by total AC. Is asking to prove total AD by AB is equals to AE by EC. So how we will prove? Same, already from the BPT, according to BPT, basic proportion. Initially we took AD by DB, but what is asking now? That upper part by total side AB is equals to upper part AE by total AC is asking. So already what we have AD by BD, AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. So these two are equal, then we can write them reciprocals also equal. For example, 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. It means 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by 4 he gave. 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by 4. Is that 2 by 1 is equals to 4 by 2 not equal? If two fractions are equal, then reciprocals also equal. In the same way, write them reciprocals. BD by AD is equals to EC by AE. Okay. Now, both the sides for the numerator, what I am doing, I am adding 1 1 for both the fractions. BD by AD plus 1 is equals to EC by AE plus 1. Both the sides I am adding 1 1. Okay, I'm writing clearly one more time. So we know that AD by TB is equals to AE by EC. So what is asking? Prove that AD by total AB is equals to AE by total AC. Okay, no problem. To prove that, what we have from BPT, AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. This one we can write reciprocals. DB by AD is equals to EC by AE. I am add 1 to both sides. I am adding 1 to the both sides. So dB by AD plus 1 is equals to EC by AE plus 1. Now dB plus LCM is AD. So AD into 1 AD. Other side EC by LCM is AE. Is AE into 1 plus AE. So dB plus AD total, that is equals to, this total will become AB. AB by AD is equals to, so other side EC by AG. EC by AG is equals to total EC plus AE is equals to total AC by AE. This is also one of the proof. Next, what we want? Reciprocal. So write them in reverse order. AD by AB, we can write AB by AD, we can write as AD by AB is equals to AE by AC by AE, AE by AC. So this is a required proof. So first basic proportionality theorem. Next some more proofs are related to basic proportionality theorem. Example problems. How we will get example problems on this topic? Simple. For 1 mark you will get questions, and for 3 or 4 marks they will ask a proof of BPT. Not only for 1 mark, many times based on the BPT proof only you have next model problems. Here he gave 2, here he gave 3. Triangle, here he gave 2, here he gave 3, and here 3, here how much? And he mentioned ABC is a triangle and BC parallel to DE, he gave DE, AC parallel to DE. So X is equal how much? According to BPT we know that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. AD by DB is equals AE by EC. Simple. 3 by 2 is equals to x by 3. So now 2x is equals to 3 3 is 9. X is equals to 9 by 2, that is 4.5. So here x is equal to how much? 4.5. So this is the model problem on basic proportionality theorem. Exercise 6.2, I think. So important problems are there on this basic proportionality theorem. NCERT textbook or NCERT textbook. This is the 6.2 exercise, first bit model problems. Not only first bit, so many problems are there on this basic proportionality theorem. So try to solve this problem. If you have any doubts, mention them in the comment box.